So students, these are the components that you require to assemble the LCD crystal display with the Arduino board. Okay, in the Tinkercad platform we have already seen, we have virtually connected the circuit. In that, this is the Arduino, this is my LCD display, this is the breadboard, potentiometer, this is one 220 ohm resistance, and these are the jumper wires. Okay, and this is the cable to connect the Arduino board to the laptop or computer. This is my Arduino board, you can see here, and I am going to connect the same way as I have connected, and this is my LCD display. You can see the 16 pins are here from 1 to 16. Okay, and I have done soldering for this. We have to connect one ground and one 5 volt into the breadboard and make multiple grounds and 5 volt supply. So for take red wire, this is V in pin, then ground 1, ground 2, this is 5 volt, and connect it to, this is the positive terminal of this breadboard. You can connect anywhere. Okay, and now we have to connect for the negative one. So take this second pin, after this we have to connect the LCD to the Arduino board. For this, this is the auto written program. It is already saved in the file option, and you have to go to examples, and in that you have to select liquid crystal, and in that many examples are given for the basic program, so you can select any program from there. I have selected to paint my name on the screen. It is already a compiled program. Now I will upload this program in my Arduino.